Here's this practice. This is your Jupiter finger and this is your Mars activation. We're going to connect those two, creating the circle of wisdom, and you have your other fingers extended. And the hands are palms up on the knees, the elbows are just gently straightened. We'll take 10 sniffs in, and as we create these 10 sniffs in, we're going to jerk the hands up in these short staccato movements until on the 10th, we're all the way up with the fingers touching the hairline, covering the eyes. And you're not like this, you're like this, so that just the fingertips are touching at the hairline. And then we TP the hands. We're gonna hold the breath here for maybe 5 seconds, and then we'll TP the hands on the long, slow exhale and let it flow down the center line, all the way down. And then we'll come back to the Gyan Mudra. So it's a very smooth flowing movement, sharp staccato movement to the count of 10 with 10 sniffs in, very distinct sniffs through the nose, and then we'll slowly exhale out all through the nose. Sometimes we breathe out through the mouth, but in this case we're doing it all through the nose. All right, let's begin. Eyes are closed and let them just focus upward to the third eye point. We're about halfway there. Keep going. And just sit quietly for a few moments, just integrating your experience. Good. And then once more, let's bring the hands in the position that you started with. I'm going to put mine back on the chest. You can bring your hands here. Take a breath in. A long sat and a short nam. Sat nam. Sat nam. There you have it. Use it. These tools are incredibly effective for this modern, crazy world that we live in, and utilize this particular one when you need to make a big decision in a short period of time and a lot is riding on it. So set your timer at your desk or on your phone, wherever you are, and do this for 3 minutes.